Hello friends, welcome to the course. Today we will learn the fourth chapter, that is parts of speech. First we will learn what are parts of speech. Then we will look into different types of parts of speech along with the examples of them. Finally, I will give you an exercise to validate your learning. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's quickly revise what we have already learned about parts of speech in our previous video.
First, we learn what is parts of speech. Every sentence is made of a group of words. These words are of different types based on usage in the sentence. These are called part of speech. Then we learned all 8 types of parts of speech. Parts of speech is mainly divided into 8 parts. Number 1. Noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing or an idea. Number 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Number 3. Verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state of a subject. Number 4. Adjective. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Number 5. Adverb. An adverb is a word used to describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Number 6. Preposition. A preposition is a word used to link a noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentence. Number 7. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. And number 8. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feeling or emotion of a person. Finally, I gave you an exercise to practice.
To watch the entire video, I have given the link in the description. Let me give you the answer to the exercise in this video. Oh no! The brown fox jumped quickly over the lazy dog and its puppy. Here, oh no is an interjection. The is a determiner which is a special kind of adjective. Brown is an adjective. Lazy is an adjective. Fox, dog, puppy are nouns. Jumped is a verb. Quickly is an adverb. Over is a preposition. And is a conjunction. Its is a pronoun. Let's again understand the parts of speech as I want to explain one important point here. What are parts of speech? We understood that every sentence is made up of group of words. These words are of 8 types based on the usage in the sentence. Number 1 noun, number 2 pronoun, number 3 verb, number 4 adjective, number 5 adverb, number 6 preposition, number 7 conjunction, and number 8 interjection. One important point to note is that as words are divided into different types based on their usage or work they do in sentence, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. For example, let's take the word after. What kind of part of speech is it? Is it an adverb, preposition or conjunction or something else? We cannot tell it until we see its usage in the sentence. Let's look into the use of the word after in a sentence. They arrived soon after. Here, the word after is describing adverb soon. So, after is behaving as an adverb here. They arrived after us. Here, after is linking the words they and us and denoting time. So, it is behaving as an preposition here. They arrived after we had left. It is joining 2 sentences, they arrived and we had left. So, after is behaving as a conjunction here. Let's look into another word, still. Still waters run deep. Here, still is an adjective as it is describing the noun waters. He still lives in that house. Here, still is an adverb as it is describing the verb lives. He loves sitting outside on the still of the night. Here, the still of the night is an idiom and its meaning is the most calm and quiet period in the night. And the word still is used as a noun in an idiom. Let's look into one more word, while. Sit down and rest a while. Here, while is the name of something, so it is acting as a noun. I will watch while you sleep. Here, while is acting as a conjunction, as it is joining two sentences, I will watch and you sleep. They while away their evenings with books and games. Here, while is acting as a verb. So please do remember this point in mind. If someone gives you a word and asks to tell you the part of speech, tell him or her, as words are divided into different types according to the work they do in a sentence, I cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless I see it used in a sentence. I hope now you are clear on how to identify the part of speech. Let me give you an exercise to validate your learning. Name the part of speech of each blue word in the following sentence, giving in each case your reason for the classification. I will solve first question. The up train is late. Here the word up is describing noun train, so it is an adjective. The next questions are, it weighs about a pound. He told us all about the battle. Muslims fast in the month of Ramzan. He kept the fast for a week. Pause the video, write your answers in the comment and also give the reason of classification. I will give the answers in a while. The answers are on your screen now. That's it in this video. Let's quickly revise what we have learned in this lesson. First, we revised what we have already learned about parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Every sentence is made up of group of words. These words are of different types based on usage in the sentence. Parts of speech are mainly divided into 8 types: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Then we learned one important point to note, which is, as words are divided into different types according to the work they do in a sentence, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. We looked at some of the words like after, still, and while to validate this point. Finally, I gave you an exercise to validate your learning. That's all in this video. We have created many videos related to parts of speech. I have provided the links to complete playlist. Do check it out in the description. Also, do check out our website nehirshah.in. Here you will find all the resources related to English grammar and writing. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found it helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.